Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So, if you have English textbook, please take that one and open page number 11. That is Unit 2. Children, see in this page they are given some picture. You must see and understand that one. See in this picture, one auto is going, one boy is also moving there. So, inside the auto, there are some persons. So, in the next picture, one woman is getting down from the auto and some purse has fallen down. And this boy is seeing that one. So, in the next picture, the auto went off. The woman is not seeing down and she is going like that only. See, this boy was coming now. He is taking that purse. In the next picture, he was taking that purse now. He took that purse and went to the police station. There in the police station, that woman, she lost out her purse now. She threw her purse down now. She is sitting there. So this boy took that purse and he is giving for the policeman. So in the last picture, this woman is giving thanks for that boy. Why? Because he took that purse and gave for the policeman, no? So, she is saying thanks for that boy. Here they are given question, what kind of boy is Chandru? So, by seeing this picture, what you can understand, children? So, he is a honest boy. He took that purse and he has not kept by himself. He took and went for the police station and gave for the police station. So, he is that boy name is Chandru. He is a honest boy. So, let us study about the lesson. Okay, children? The lesson name is Speak the Truth. Children? So, always you must speak the truth. So, I will read the lesson. Listen carefully. Santosh was a student of class 4th. His teacher gave him homework every day. Santosh usually reached home at 4 p.m. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. One day, Santosh returned from school. He was happy to see his cousin Sandhya. She had come to play with him. Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. He forgot to do his homework. The next day, his teacher asked him, "Why haven't you done your homework?" Santosh did not reply, but suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam." The teacher thought it was true and excused him. See, this boy, his name is Santosh. So, he was studying in 4th standard. So, one day his teacher gave his homework to do. Every day teacher was giving homework to do at home. So, this boy Santosh usually he was reaching for home from school at 4 o'clock, and afterwards he would have washed his hands, mouth, face and all, and he would sit to eat the snacks. And after eating the snacks, he will do that homework. So one day, after returning from the school for home, in his house, cousin was there. So he was happy to see his cousin. The cousin name was Sandhya. So she had come to play with Santosh. So Santosh, he ate his snacks and he was playing with that Sandhya all the evening. So he forgot to do his homework. He did not write his homework. He was playing with his cousin Sandhya. So in the next day, when he came to school, the teacher asked that, "Where's your homework?" So why you have not written the homework? So the teacher asked for Santosh. So Santosh did not say anything at that time, and after some time he told that, "Ma'am, I had got fever, so I did not write the homework." So he said like that now for the teacher. The teacher thought that it was true. So that boy had got fever, so he did not write the homework, and the teacher gave excuse for him. Next page. Now Santosh felt very sad. During the lunch break, he sat alone under a tree. He did not eat his food. Sugna, Santosh's sister, was studying in the 7th standard in the same school. She saw her brother sitting alone and came to him. "Why are you not eating? You are looking dull. What happened?" she asked. So the Santosh told that I had fever. No, he did not write the homework. No. So he felt very sad. So in the lunch time, he was sitting alone under a tree. He did not eat the food at all. So Santosh's sister, her name is Sugna, she was studying in the same school in 7th standard. So when she came for the lunch break, she saw her brother sitting alone and she came near him and asked, "Why are you not eating the food? You are looking dull now, you are looking sad. What happened?" She asked for that boy, for his brother Santosh. Santosh kept quiet for some time and then started weeping. Sugna waited for her brother to speak. Slowly Santosh started. "Yesterday I played with Sandhya and forgot to do my homework, but I lied to my teacher." Sugna listened to him patiently. Then she said, "Don't worry, get up. Let us go to your teacher. Admit your mistake before the teacher." Both Santosh and Sugna went to the teacher. The teacher asked, "What do you want?" Sugna looked at Santosh. Tears rolled down his cheeks. The teacher asked Santosh, "What makes you weep?" Santosh replied, "Madam, I lied to you in the morning. I was not sick. I played the whole evening and I did not do my homework. Please excuse me." The teacher felt very happy. She consoled him and said, "You have admitted your mistake and now you have told the truth. Being truthful is always good." So the sister Sugna asked for Santosh, for his brother, "No, that why are you looking dull? What happened?" Then Santosh, she sat quietly for some time and afterwards she started crying. So Sugna waited for his brother to talk. After crying, that boy Santosh started to speak slowly. "Sister, yesterday I played with my cousin Sandhya and I did not do my homework. I forgot to do my homework, but I told a lie to the teacher that I was not feeling well. I had fever, so I had not written the homework." I told like that for the teacher. Then Sugna listened all the story about Santosh and then she said, "Don't worry, get up. We can go for the teacher and ask. So excuse, you say about the truth, then your teacher will forgive." She told like that. Then both Sugna and Santosh, brother and sister, went to the teacher. The teacher told, "What do you want, children?" So Sugna looked at Santosh. So when the teacher asked, "What do you want?" that sister saw brother's face. So Santosh eyes came tears. So the teacher asked Santosh that, "Why are you crying?" Then Santosh told, "Ma'am, yesterday in the morning I told a lie for you. I was not feeling well. I was playing with my cousin Sandhya and I forgot to do my homework, but I told a lie for you. Please excuse me, teacher." That boy Santosh told like that for the teacher. So the teacher felt very happy. She called him near and consoled that, "You told truth, no? You have admitted your mistake, no? That's okay. Next time you must not say a lie. If you have not done homework also, you must tell the truth that what happened." So being truthful is always very good. Okay, children? I'll say in Kannada. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಗ 4ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಂದು ದಿನಾಗಲೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆ ದಿನವೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈಕಾಲು ಮುಖ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಅವತ್ತು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದ. ಒಂದಿನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಕಝಿನು, ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ, ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರೆಯೋದೇ ಮರ್ತುಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಮಾರನೇ ದಿವಸ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನಲ್ವ, ಆವಾಗ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಟೀಚರು ನಿಜನೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಊಟನೂ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರು ಸುಗುಣ, ಅವಳು ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಬಂದು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ವ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಯಾರನ್ನ? ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ. ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಸುಗುಣ ಅಕ್ಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇರು ಅವನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಇವನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸಂತೋಷು, ಅಕ್ಕ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸುಗುಣ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕೆ ಬರೆದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನನಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಗುಣ ಬಂದು ಏನು ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ಬಾ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನಿನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ಟೀಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಟೀಚರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಗುಣ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಸುಗುಣ ಬಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಸಂತೋಷನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರೆದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ? ಟೀಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಆವಾಗ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ನು ನಿಜ ಒಪ್ಕೊತಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಸರಿಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಜನೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅದೇನೇ ಇರಲಿ ನೀನು ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಜ ಬಂದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್, ಎ ರೀಸನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ patiently, calmly. Admit, accept that you have made a mistake. Any doubt, children? The next class, I'll give you notes. Okay, children? Thank you, children.